Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Trump Media and Technology, or Truth Social, ticker symbol DJT. And so here we are looking at the daily chart on Tuesday, June 11th, after the market has closed and DJT closed at a price of $39.31, being down about 6.6% over the course of the day and coming down about quarter of a percent in the after hours, but that trading is still going on, so it might be a little bit different. But yeah, here I don't have anything drawn up on the chart, and it was requested that I do go over this one, so I wanted to share my thoughts. And so one thing that I think is important to note is the reason why price has been coming down is because it was recently announced that there were some reselling of shares going on, so raising of capital, and that is why we have seen price coming down. But since we do have a top over here and a bottom here, we can do a retracement to kind of get an idea of where price might be settling out at. And so the low hit on April 16th was at a price of $22.55. So I'm going to try to get that lined up just about right there. And then up to the high here, which was $56.52. All right, and so I've got those levels marked to the penny, and so we can see, where price is currently at. It does correspond with the 50% retracement that is at a price of $39.54. Did close a little below it today, but that could just be a fake out. So I would look for a close above $39.54 tomorrow. Maybe it's holding that level as support. But if we do see some more red tomorrow and price is coming down, I could see it coming down to these two levels here, which would be the golden pocket. That's a retracement from the 618 to the 65% retracement. And the price range from there is from $34.44 up to around $35.53. So right around $35. Maybe we do find some support there, but if not, if we do break below the 50% and the golden pocket, the next level down is going to be the 786. That is at a price of $29.82. Right around $30 a share. So maybe that is a good dip buying level because, it is also a psychological level. We like zeros in our numbers, whole numbers, and $30 a share. So maybe we do head down to there. But, there are some other things I did want to go over with the chart that might, support some of these levels, that might suggest some of them will be where the price is going, if it does not hold the 50% level where it's currently at. And so one thing that I wanted to do was just do a array or a trend line from the lows over here, just being approximate to the lows over here. I was thinking this might coincide with one of these levels. And, if maybe we do see it fade and start to break below these levels, the intersection of that uptrend and the 786, that would be right around the middle of August. So it's possible that this does fade, but, I don't think it'd take that long to get there if it does go to right around $30. But if it does, if we find ourselves right around $30 in August, that might be support, and I suspect it would be some pretty notable support because of the confluence of those levels. But, I think that's a couple months away, actually. Man, time flies. That's only 2 months from now. So, maybe that could happen if it starts to stair step its way down, as we have seen it do that, forming lower lows and lower highs. That is a possibility. And so on that note, I did want to draw a parallel channel, just kind of connecting the points here, really just being approximate. But we can see with that channel that it does look like price has been respecting. Of course, I drew it based on those tops, but it has been bouncing off of the top of that channel. It's also been bouncing off of, or, more or less respecting the bottom of that channel. And also very interesting, coming back in time, the high on February 15th intersects beautifully with the bottom of that channel, and then also the high of January 23rd nearly gets to the bottom of that channel. So it does suggest to me that there is some significance to that channel. And so actually I am just going to make the lines a little bit thicker so we can see it a little better relative to the Fibonacci levels. So what I could see here with this, if it is to come down, hypothetically to the 786, I could see a bounce where it's currently at to go up to the 236, maybe get rejected from the top of the channel there. That's around $48.50. So if I take a measurement from the current price up to the top of that channel, or really to that 236, that represents about a 22% swing to the upside. So maybe there's a nice swing there. But if price is getting to the top of that channel and it's not looking so strong, it could be pulling back from there to this golden pocket. That would then be, let's just do another measurement coming down. That would be a retracement or a drawdown in price by about almost 30%. So if price does get up there and it's looking weak, I would brace for that, and maybe the golden pocket is a good dip buying level to be buying at in July, so about a month from now. And then from there, again, maybe we see another bounce to the top of that channel, and that would represent going up to the 382, which is around $43.50. That would represent about a 26 to 27% swing to the upside. If looking weak there around the beginning of August, we could then be looking at, let's see, a pullback of about 30% to the 786 at that confluence of that uptrending level of support and the 786 right around $30, also being a psychological level, and that could be an excellent dip buying opportunity before a potential breakout of this downtrending channel. But that could of course happen sooner than that. It does look like there could be a bounce where we are currently at. And so I would look for a move to the upside to around 48.50 if looking weak, or we do break below this downtrend, not able to get a close above 39.54. Then I would look for the golden pocket right around at $35 a share. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.